Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. In this video, I'm going to draw a Spider-Man and teach you how to draw outline of Spider-Man. So watch this video till the end without any escape. So let's get started. In this video, I'm going to use 2B pencil for outline, and you can also use HB pencil. Here I'm using grid method to draw this reference. Firstly, we have to draw these lines by measuring all the sides. So here we go. I'm going to start drawing from the upper side of the reference. Make sure you hold your pencil lightly. If you want references, then follow me on Instagram, link in the description. If you're watching this video and do not subscribe my channel yet, then subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon to never miss my latest video. Now because of these lines, I can easily draw the all parts of the reference easily. So you can also use this method to draw outline. So if you don't know about what is grid method and how to use grid method, so you can watch this video. Here I am explained all things about grid method, what is grid method and all of this stuff. So you can also watch this after this video. So yeah, watch this video and draw. I will meet you at the end of the video. So here you go, finally outline is completed. So if you learn anything new from this video, you can subscribe my channel, and I will be back in the next part of these videos. In the next video, I'm gonna teach you how to draw realistic with color pencils. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and click on the bell notification, and till then, bye bye.